Hello. So I bought this Pro's engine house kit, HO or old scale from Pro's, and you can see how their model looks. So it's pretty basic. It's a what it is. It's laser printed, and it comes unpainted, all brown. And so I bought it, and I thought, well, I hope this works out. And it's motorized doors open. I thought, man, this would be really cool. So I kind of semi-kit bashed it, kind of weathered it, and so here's what I came out with. So this is mine. I'm out in the garage. I haven't put it on the layout yet. I added some lights. This one didn't have lights on the front, the HO version. Done some weathering there on the front. And you can see I got some on the side, some lights above the rolling doors here. If you look inside, you can see some locomotives. You can also see I've got some detail in here. There's BNSF Railway in the back. And what that is down there, those are locomotive outlines, poster. Here's the roof. I did the roof. Let's see what this one looked like. Not weathered at all. So I did a little weathering, a little hail damage, maybe a little rust, light rust. And for the trim, I went with a faux concrete finish. Okay, thought that would be cool. Used a special concrete mix from AFX. And then I went and did some little airbrushing here and there. And what's really cool is on the brick. No, look at this brick. Okay, if you look, it looks like just black outlines. If you can see it a little bit, like black outlines. Okay, so let's look at this brick. You can see mortar in there. Yeah, mortar. And then toward the ground, you see it gets a little bit like a rain, and there's like a little haze going on there. If you look, yeah, the brick has mortar in there. So what that is actually toothpaste. I show a tutorial on how I do that on my site, on my YouTube channel. So let's operate the motorized piece of this. Let's pull one up, open. Actually, here, let me turn the lights off and let you see what this looks like. Okay, so here we go. The lights are off, and I'm going to operate one of these doors. See, I have a locomotive in there. You can see in there a little bit. Those are dummy locomotives. You can see my signage. Also have some signage up at the top over here. These are logos of all of BNSF Railway's predecessors. Okay, I'm going to put some more furniture and people in here. If you look, let me open the other one. Let's open the other one. Okay, so if you look over here, you can see up at the top, I also have some other BNSF Railway's other predecessor railroads. So again, these are dummy locomotives, and they're going to slide right in there. This was me just testing it out in the garage here, seeing how this looks. This looks really good. So next thing is to just get it out in the layout and see how it looks. Oh, let me show you what it looks like on the side over here. There is my lighting I added. That doesn't come with the process. There's my lighting right here. Okay. So that doesn't come with the kit. Now, what's interesting is it does have this like red light up in there. I could cover that up, but you know what? I think it's kind of cool. My son said, well, you know what? That's kind of cool. So We're going to leave it there, to each their own. Again, this is really cool. If you look up in the top, you can see down into the shop from above. Really, really cool. And what's neat is I went and added some, like I said, I added logos and stuff. You can see over there, railway logos from predecessor railroads from BNSF. And so that's about it. We're going to test this out and run this over to the layout, and we'll give it a show there too. But for now, I just wanted to show what this looks like. That is pretty cool. All right, chat with y'all later.